Another bite? Ooh, I got a new one for you. I like to play that song. All night long. Doo 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 doo. Give my song a dance.
Na na na.
Na na na.
Na na na.
Na na na. Good morning. Here we are. It is Sunday, and as you know, I'm just crashing with my parents for a few months, few weeks until we find a home. Of course, we love living with my parents. What is that? Of course, we love living with my parents. We get along so great, and something I love about my parents is they're just always open to talking about anything. We're not the kind of family like that sweeps anything under the rug, so it's been kind of cool getting some quality time in with them where we like see each other all the time and we get into these conversations where, I don't know, it's just really nice. I really appreciate being heard and being seen for who I am, and then seeing others for who they are. Does that make sense? I just think it's such a special quality about my family, that we are really willing to like talk about things on a regular basis, and it doesn't have to be this like once a year we're gonna dig deep and it's gonna be terrible. This is a what I ate today video. I'm happy to share all the food that I'm eating today. I typically like to plan out my what I ate videos just to show a well-rounded day, but today we're just gonna go by the cuff and see what happens. We are just getting ready to head down to South County to visit our friends Mel and Jesse. They have a little boy who's like, oh my gosh, is he 3 months already? He's super sweet and adorable. His name's Atlas, and yeah, it's just so fun watching a friend become a mom. Now that I'm a mom, it's just so fun to talk about. And so we're gonna hang out, and the plan was to go running and hiking, but I texted Mel and I was like, you know what? We're just not feeling it this morning. Eric and I went to Modern Times Brewery last night with Cosmo and some friends, and just kind of stayed up a little too late and kind of just wanted to chill today. Holy crap, you guys, look at this perfect sourdough my mom got from Whole Foods. Another huge benefit to staying with my parents is my mom loves to cook. It's all she thinks about. Pretty much all she thinks about is food. She literally wakes up in the morning just thinking about recipes, thinking about, oh, I should add this, I should maybe do this. And then 7 in the morning, she's already chopping onions and making something. And anyway, so I don't have to go grocery shopping, even though I do here and there. I don't have to cook as much. I still cook. You know, it's not like she's like making us a meal every single day, but it is really nice, and we're doing family dinners most days. As you saw, I had a smoothie this morning. I really enjoy smoothies. Like, I know it gets old. It's just an opportunity to pack in lots of calories and nutrients that are water rich and fiber filled, and just I don't know, I just feel really good on smoothies, man. And it's really easy to share that with my 1.5-year-old, almost 1.5-year-old. And now I'm gonna have some peanut butter on sourdough. I've been really into peanut butter lately, so much so that I'm like, you know what? I should probably get a different nut butter to switch it up. I just like peanut butter. It's delicious, and it's cheaper than the other nut butters. And I'm a bit of a frugal gal sometimes. This is my second breakfast, which I almost always have. A big, thick slice of sourdough with peanut butter. Not like I always have this. I mean, I normally have a second breakfast is what I mean to say. And since we're heading out the door, I'll probably be snacking on this in the car and drinking some of Eric's coffee. Do you remember when I made this sweeping declaration online? I was just so confident I'm never having coffee again. Yeah, I totally have coffee now, but it's never like my full cup, okay? It's just sips here and there. I like drinking something hot and brown in the morning. Mel's really great at food, and every time we go down to hang out with Mel and Jessie, Mel has created some like big delicious feast for us. But their fridge had broken, so Hi Boo Boo, I like your sweater! It's really cute!
Oh, this one?
Yeah, but this one, that's my sweater. Anyway, their fridge had broken, so I prepared some food to bring over, and I think she'll be making some stuff too. So we are gonna have lunch with them and enjoy our day. And I guess the end, and I guess I'll see you later, and I'm gonna have my toast. Goodbye. This is the big lunch that I'm bringing, along with this, but I will show it all to you. I promise. I even filmed making it so you could see. And I think I'm gonna bring these leftover peanut butter finger cookies from me and my mom's ebook, Everybody Loves Food, because they're so bomb. I made them when we went to our friend's house for dinner, and we have a little leftover. And one more thing. And the final thing we're bringing down is this freezer meal, casserole dish, because Jessie's sister just had her second baby. And so I made this potato romanesco, because I didn't have broccoli, like cheesy casserole dish, and I'm just gonna write some instructions on there that she can put it in the freezer and save it for a rainy day. And we're gonna just swing by, drop it off, not bother her, and then go hang out with Mel and Jessie. That is the end. We will see you later.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Alright.
I still have half.
Oh, yeah, you're finally getting it yourself.
The big sheets.
Yeah, I buy them online because I like them so much better.
They're better. They're easier to fit lots of good stuff in.
Yeah. I'm kidding. You guys can have as many as you want.
How are you?
Good. Yeah. We had a busy day yesterday.
But it's absolute.
Are you eating together?
Just smile
Just
and
for a
stick
shot.
in my mouth.
Na.
I'm not a cute eater, so my job makes it tricky.
You should have some noodles hanging out of your mouth.
That's smart. I probably will just happen.
Should I get that out of your back though?
No, you add to it.
The mullet?
You're
you
yeah,
go.
you're very blurry,
Cosmo.
so
Cosmo.
you know how to do it.
Banana?
You were the right friend to ask. Can I bring my camera down? Yeah. Very
I
good.
handed Cosmo the banana and he goes, mmm.
Is it a tofu?
That's your favorite.
I don't know why you don't have a YouTube channel, Mom.
Yum.
I really need a picture is what I need. We just got back from Mel and Jesse's and it was lovely to spend time with them, and now it's about 3 o'clock and I need a little snack, and thankfully my mother made some pumpkin pecan ginger muffins. They're good. They're pretty good. If you don't have ripe bananas to make a vegan muffin, try pumpkin puree. She made these the other day and I just love having muffins on hand for a snack. You guys, they're moist. Wow, the ginger is so good. Okay. You like the potty book? Can you read the potty book?
You wanna go to the park? Let's go to the park.
Yeah, I'm that little bandito. Break it down before I roll. I used to dream every day, now I'm
Bye.
Fly like BJ, fly like BJ. With no regret. LOVE like the last night. Ain't nothing to it, nothing to it. Yeah. Easy, make it look easy. How we do it, yeah, to the fullest.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so tonight we're having burrito bowls. It's pretty basic, but it's definitely a favorite of mine. It's probably, in my opinion, one of the most satisfying ways to eat whole foods plant-based, because you can include so many fun vegetables in there, and there's carbs, fats, proteins. It's full of flavor and it just feels good, and it's a great way to get some high calorie plant foods in you. My mom actually made this meal. She's just, on the weekend she normally cooks. I cook sometimes during the week, she cooks in the week sometimes. She just really enjoys preparing food. So I ain't gonna say no to that. I ain't gonna say no. I just put some hot sauce on there and let's take a bite. We've got some guacamole, some rice, some beans, and a mushroom. My mom puts these onion flakes in the guacamole. It's so flavorful. I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner with my family. Yeah, that's all for me. I hope you have a really fantastic day and hope you enjoy some good plant food, and I will see you in the next video, and hopefully I have some good news to share in terms of our life updates. Talk to you later.
To the fullest, ain't nothing to it. Yeah, I make it look easy.